And I would like to share with this August House what MDA truly means. MDA stands for Master of Development with Action. MDA is not the Master of Denial Alliance. However, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, after joining this government, I am truly happy to share that the constituency I represent, which had remained deserted, neglected for many years, has finally begun to see the light of hope. Coming to public works, in my constituency, sir, which is one of the backward constituency, I can clearly see the transformation brought about by this government. For your kind information, sir, 20 kilometers of PMGSY road from Mawhati to Kidei has been completed. 16 kilometers from Umlapel to Lumpur is about to complete. 8 kilometers from Mawhati to Pamlata is nearing completion. 16 kilometers from Tiang village to Mawlingai is currently in progress. And many more roads from the state. I firmly believe and hope that the pending 40 kilometers road from Sonidan to Umsiang will also commence very soon. I am not wrong in saying that anyone who criticizes the growth of road connectivity in the state is someone who refuses to see the truth.